Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Jotform for completely free. Let's just begin. You can see if you check out their pricing, they do have a free of charge plan, and here as you can see, now we do have this plan which is completely for free. You can simply log in and use this one, so make sure to sign up for this one. And we do have some extra plans as well, but you can get 50% off onto these plans using the link in the description below, and make sure to check that out. So once you simply go with the free plan, it is going to be allowing you to get all of these features. So you can check the link in the description below and get this for free as well. This is completely free, so just avail that offer. So I hope this one helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.